To connect your debit card to your PayPal account is actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to link your debit card to your PayPal account, all you need to do is click on the Pay and Get Paid tab at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link underneath the Wallet menu. From here, it will show you a brief overview of how much money you have in your PayPal account, along with your connected currencies. However, if we scroll all the way down, it will give you a list of what your bank accounts and cards that are connected to your PayPal account. So to add a card, you want to click on Link a New Card, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your card details, along with your card's type. So once you're ready, you want to click on Link Card. And if we go back to the money page, which we were at earlier, you can scroll all the way down and it will give you a list of all of the cards you've connected to your account, which you can start transferring money between. And that is how you link a debit card to your PayPal account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.